Hi there, Mystery Baker here. Hope you're all doing well. As you know, the country is in lockdown. Well, it is in the UK anyway, so I just want to say hi to all my subscribers and hope you're all okay and tolerating this lockdown. It's early days, very early days, and it's boring, I know, but we all have to do it and do our part. And I'd like to say a big thank you to all the people that are going beyond and above, going out there in the danger zone, as it were. A big thank you to them. And if you're one of them, thank you. I'm going to be doing some baking just because the children are off, and I thought it might be beneficial to you all to get into the kitchen and do some baking. I'm making peanut butter cookies, which is great for the kids. They can give it a go and give it a hand. So that's me. In lockdown. That's right. And it's weird. I have to say, I just find it crazy. I can't believe it in a way. I'm still in kind of shock. Let's just hope the virus can be, well, not cured, but managed. And then we can get to, back to some kind of normality. So just a big shout out to all my subscribers who are maybe not coping as well or have to keep into the house for isolation because of health reasons. I'm thinking of you all. Speak to you soon. Bye.